Hey guys, it's Midwest EDH, and we are going to do another mystery booster box. Like, share, comment, subscribe. I am almost to 100. I'm almost to 70 subscribers, so I'm very close. We are very close to the 200 Soul Ring giveaway. So once I get 200 subscribers, I'm giving away a non-foil Soul Ring. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my content, even though it's mediocre. I'm very low energy right now because I'm a tired boy. I had a long day of adulting. But you know, I feel good about this box. Last box was pretty okay. It was pretty okay. I actually thought it was really good. We didn't get the Mana Crypt, but you know, time waits for no man. And yeah, let's get into this. So the whole thing is, if I get a third Mana Crypt for 1,000 subs, I will give away a Mana Crypt. Ooh, Bloodbraid Elf. Okay, Triumph of the Horde, that's a great card. Urza's Rage is not a great card. And the fairies. So, Triumph of the Horde is already pretty great. We're going to put that right there. We're going to put all the really, really good cards right here. And this is where all our... well, they're okay. And then the foils are going to go in one other pile. Okay. What do we got? Ooh, we got a Dragon Broodmother. That's pretty cool. I actually needed one of those for my dragon deck. Ooh, Niv and a Changeling. Okay, so far 2 packs, 2 good things. That's pretty nice. You know, it's good to get things that you want sometimes. Okay. Holy crap, I just sound depressed. And trust me, I am just really, really tired. I got a haircut. I got my tires rotated. Hypnotic Spectre, a Fibble Flip. That's not great. None of that thing. We're not going to put Fibble Flip. We're not going to insult Fibble Flip. We're gonna... holy crap. Okay. We got a Thought Vessel. That's pretty useful. A Marin of Clan Naltoth. Look at the top X cards of your library and put them back in any order. That's pretty cool too, but I think that's a bulk card. Anyone want a foil mana, Harmonic Sliver? Message me in the comments below, and we'll work something out. Okay. We got a Chancellor of Annex. We got a Boros Reckoner. We got a Pyretic Ritual. Okay. Approach of the Second Sun. And Eidolon of Rhetoric. You know, I'm starting to think that there might be a pattern. there might be a pattern to this box. I know mystery boosters are all random, but things are starting to look familiar a little bit. Like, some things are very different, but they are also kind of the same. So, oh hey, I can give that to my friend because he needs one of those. Ooh, Rancor. Oh wait, this is a wall that I've never seen before. If Floodgate... I'm gonna put that right there. I might put that in Arcades. Let's talk about great magic artwork. Who did this? Nils Ham. That is a really cool looking card. One of the things that brought me into Magic was the artwork. You guys probably don't want to hear about that, like my Magic origin story, like what got me into Magic. I mean, if you do, let me know in the comments and I'll make a video about it. A chromatic lantern, because we all can need a chromatic lantern and a Noggle. Dear Wizards, bring back this creature type. I need to make Noggle tribal. Like, give me it. Okay, what do we got? Oh, we got a Phyrexian Megamorph, and we got a Liliana. That's pretty great. And a Witch's Orb. Got some fairies. We got some Eldrazi drones. We got a Raft Capuchin. We got some Ash Barons. And we got a Boom Pile. It's pretty cool. You know, you can always use a Boom Pile. Master Transmuter, Commit to Memory, and Intruder Alarm. Do you guys know what, like, the most expensive foil in this set is? I could probably look it up. I have the internet. I'm supposed to be, like, the Magic YouTube channel that knows things. Ooh, a Fatal Push. Can always use a Fatal Push. Oh, hey, a Thung the Last Troll, an Eldritch Evolution, and a Ravenous Trap. A Ravenous Trap? Okay. Helm of Awakening, a Dorn Pouncer, Alira's Fury. Like I said, guys, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but I'm starting to think that something interesting is coming. Can always use that. A Bola Nylea, a Winds of Fate, and a Helix Pinnacle. I don't know what I'm thinking that I'm going to get, but I'm starting to get suspicious. You pick up what I'm laying down. Interesting. A Mystic Confluence. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I'm probably wrong. I'm probably wrong. Hey! There we go. There's your buddy. Ah, yep. That is going in a deck. Could always use a Rhystic Study. The most annoying magic card in the game. I don't even know why we call it Rhystic Study. It's just, you gonna pay 1 for that? Whisper Sheer Cold. Another Metamorphosis, Tiresome Grip, and another one of those. So far, what would make me really happy if we got another Demonic Tutor. Okay. War of Invention and Delay. Okay. We got Ninja. We got 4 packs left. Good Ancient Ziggurat. Alicia, Who Smiles at Death. Or Alesha. An Amulet of Vigor, that's not bad. Okay, a Path to Exile. Last pack, guys. I don't sound as excited because, like I said, I'm a sleepy boy today. Let's see what we got. A Priest of Titania. We got a Defense of the Heart. We got that. And we got a Hornet Sting. Well, guys, this box wasn't as good as our one before. I mean, let's let's count our mythics, because we're doing that in every one. I'm going to count that as a mythic. Two, 3, 4. So this is a 4 mythic box. Well, 4 so far. Any foil mythics? 5. And anything over here? No. This box was okay. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. Like, share, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye, buds.